There's a lightning storm each and every night, crashing inside you like motorbikes. We toss and turn, sleep so loud, grind the teeth in our empty mouths are empty. There's a forest fire burning bright, spreading quickly towards our last rites. Nowhere to run, pointless to hide, just lay there and scream, pretending to try, pretending, intending to burn, pretending to fight it. Everyone learns faster on fire, things took a turn. Lost of desire, you live and you burn. You live and you burn. This impending doom is left deep inside, and it's haunting you each and every night, like starving wolves, drowning sheep. We close our eyes, pretending to sleep, descending, intending to burn, pretending